Now let's take a look at what is the new iMachining feature recognition. As you can see here, I have SolidWorks and SolidCAM open, and I have a CAM part already defined. Now this CAM part's actually included in our install. It's a multi-axis part, but in this case it's been modified a bit to go along with these videos. I've also already added an iMachining 2D operation to the CAM part. When the operation dialog box opens, you'll see here on the geometry page that there's a number of changes. Included in those changes are some additional tabs at the top here, which I'll talk more about later. First and foremost, let me explain the new modes for defining your machining geometry. We now have feature recognition by faces, feature recognition by chains, outside feature recognition, and chains without feature recognition. Now this last mode uses SolidCAM's legacy standard chaining method, which is the same as previous versions. The first three modes, however, use feature recognition technology, meaning that they can detect and define the machinable areas of your part using just simple selections in combination with the stock and target model data.